more than 300 million houseplants in American homes. That is nearly one indoor plant for every person living here. On Instagram and Pinterest, indoor plants now dominate countless lifestyle feeds. They are no longer just quietly tucked into a forgotten corner. Today, they serve as centerpieces, conversation starters, and everyday wellness companions. Science backs this up, especially around indoor air quality and pollution. NASA and university studies show plants can reduce certain indoor air pollutants. In one Exeter study, adding plants to offices boosted productivity 15%. One Washington state study linked indoor plants to lower stress and blood pressure. Yet despite these benefits, most people find keeping houseplants alive surprisingly difficult. The struggles of plant care often start with simple forgetfulness. You buy a lush new pothos, water it for a week, then get busy and stop paying attention. By the time you notice, the soil is bone dry and the leaves are drooping. Other plant parents overcorrect and water constantly, drowning roots and inviting rot. Even if you get watering right, the nutrients in potting soil quietly run out over time. Leaves yellow, growth slows, and the plant weakens in a pot that looks perfectly normal. Meanwhile, tiny pests like spider mites and fungus gnats can move in and spread before you even spot them. For many busy working adults juggling long days, commutes, and family life, constant plant monitoring is unrealistic. The result is a quiet churn. Countless houseplants die within a couple of years, and many never reach their first birthday. People feel guilty, assume they lack a green thumb, and sometimes give up on plants altogether. So what is really going wrong here? It is not that people do not care, it is that plants whisper their needs, and we only hear them when the crisis is already visible. Technology can act as a translation layer, sensing a plant's needs in real time and turning silent stress into clear signals. At home, that means soil moisture probes, smart pots with automatic watering, and simple phone apps that say, "Water me now." As these tools improve, caring for indoor plants becomes less guesswork and more partnership, letting almost anyone keep a thriving green home. In the end, smart tools simply make it easier for all of us to live with more green life indoors.